Fix in 5. Let's decode P0614. ECM, TCM incompatible, transmission control module and engine control MO. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, MIL on, transmission shifts erratically or not at all, vehicle enters limp mode or reduced power mode, loss of overdrive function, transmission may not downshift properly. Now the most likely causes. TCM firmware version incompatible with ECM firmware. ECM failure or internal communication fault. TCM failure or internal communication fault. CAN bus communication line failure or short circuit. Wiring harness damaged between ECM and TCM connectors. Here's how a pro pins it down. Verify the DTC, diagnostic trouble code, and record all Saint review the service and repair history. Has the ECM or TCM. Visually inspect ECM and TCM part numbers for correct MAT-C. Check the CAN wiring and connectors for signs of corrosion. Use the diagnostic tool to compare current ECM, TCM software. If a swap or software update has occurred, verify with OE. How to fix it. Update ECM firmware to latest OEM version matching TCM firmware revision. Update TCM firmware to latest OEM version matching ECM firmware revision. Replace TCM if internal failure detected and firmware update unsuccessful. Replace ECM if internal failure detected and firmware update unsuccessful. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly varies doing it yourself, or €600 to €1,400 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0614? Driving with P0614 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0614. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.